bayad, sir. Wala akong dala rito eh.
Sa kubanda.
Oo. Yan, malaki naman yung freezer. Tama lang siya.
Hola amiga. So welcome back to my channel. So my simple life in the Philippines again is back. So for today's vlog, I would like to share my blessing yesterday. Mr. Paul Lewis sent me some money. He's the one of my subscribers. Sir, shout out for Sir Paul Lewis. He sent me some money for the refrigerator because he saw my video that I don't have any refrigerator at home. So he was sending this to me for his kindness heart. So again, I would like to thank you, sir, so much. So I really appreciate it. So guys, yung refrigerator na to ay in-sponsor sa akin ng isang dayuhan na kung sinong nanonood sa aking video, pero hindi ko hiningi sa kanya to. So he sent message on my Gmail and he said, "Hi Rose, can you reply me quick?" And I said, "Yes sir." Then sabi niya ganon, papadala daw siya ng money sa akin para ibili ko ng refrigerator. Tulong na daw niya sa akin yan. So hindi ko hiningi yan klaseng gaganan pa kasi ako simple lang buhay ko. Kaya nga may simple life in the Philippines eh. So ayan. So natuwa po siya sa aking mga video. Kaya ayun. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa iyo Sir Lewis. Sir Lewis. So na-appreciate ko lahat 'yon. So thank you very much sir. So if you see the video here, the refrigerator is so sleek and sexy like me. So ayan, so I choose the red one because it was nice color and it has two door. The freezer is white. And then I can use it for at home. So thank you very much, sir. That's all for today. Thank you. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung refrigerator. So na-open ko na siya. So it takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. Nag-freeze agad siya. So again, thanks also po Jedinso product. I'm satisfied for it. So tika lang na. Oops. Sorry. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung refrigerator. So ito na siya guys. Ayan. So two door siya. So open natin. Ayan. So mabilis po siya mag-freeze. Ayan. So wide naman yung freezer niya. And then sa baba. So ito yung ano niya. So ito yung nasa, ayan, ito yung nasa sa baba. Ayan, so bagay siya sa pambahay. So ang cute niya po. So ayan, nakita niyo po yung ref. So napaka-cute po siya. So ang size niya 3.5 cubic feet. So recommend ko po sa inyo, bili na po kayo ng Jedinso refrigerator. So two doors na po siya. Ayan, so anyway guys, thank you for watching. That's all for today. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.